Attention to all manufacturers in the iron industry. The Bureau of Indian Standards has recently issued the Cast Iron Products Quality Control Order. In today's video, we will dive into the implications of this order and discuss its key provisions. Let's take a closer look at the topics we'll be covering. Welcome to MindSync, your compliance guard. I'm Baston Benny, and you're watching MindSync's BIS series. MindSync is a professional organization providing compliance, consulting, and advisory services. Let's dive into the essential products falling under mandatory certification. These encompass 6 key products falling under Quality Control Order, with the majority of companies applying for Indian Standard 210. Now, let's address the effective dates stipulated in this order. It comes into effect 6 months from the notification date, which was August 24, 2023. For micro enterprises, compliance is required within 12 months, and for small enterprises, it's 9 months. Moving on to product specifications. Our first Indian standard is grey iron castings. This standard delineates the requirements for grey iron castings, including 7 specified grades. Regarding marking, each casting should ideally bear identifiable marks traceable to the melt and batch of heat treatment if applicable. Furthermore, castings complying with the standard should be marked with an acceptance mark post-inspection, as per agreement between the purchaser and manufacturer. Next up is the standard for cast iron manhole covers and frames. This standard outlines basic and performance requirements for cast iron manhole covers and frames used in drainage and water works. These covers and frames should be coated with a smooth and tenacious material, typically a black bituminous composition. Moving forward, we have the standard for cast iron, ductile iron drainage pipes and pipe fittings for overground non-pressure pipeline socket and spigot series. This standard encompasses requirements for sand cast iron pipes, fittings, and accessories used for various applications, including discharge of wastewater and ventilation. These pipes, fittings and accessories covered in this standard are to be used for above ground and for non-pressure applications. This standard is applicable to cast iron pipes, fittings and accessories with either Type A or Type B sockets and having spigots is specified in the standard. Double-socketed pipe lengths have also been included, and these should comply with the requirements of sockets and barrel pipe section specified in the standard. In case of other type of socket, spigot joint, the design should be based on the dimensions given in the standard, for reasons of safety and interchangeability. Next in line is the standard for malleable cast iron pipe fittings. This standard meticulously outlines the requirements for various types of malleable cast iron pipe fittings, all threaded in accordance with AS 554. These fittings are designed for general purposes, facilitating the transmission of both fluid and gas within the prescribed limits of pressure and temperature. We then have the standard for cast iron single-faced thimble-mounted sluice gates. These gates, ranging from 300 to 2500 mm in nominal size, are designed for vertical sliding and mounting on cast iron wall thimbles, primarily for water supply and wastewater applications. Finally, we come to the standard for vertically cast iron pressure pipes for water, gas, and sewage. This standard details requirements for cast iron pipes manufactured by vertical casting in sand molds, applicable to pressure main lines of water, gas, and sewage. It's important to note that while the standard primarily covers sockets for lead joints or flanges, it may also apply to other joint types, such as rubber joints, ensuring adherence to overall measurements for interchangeability and safety. Now, you might be wondering, how can MindSync assist me in this process? Well, here's the answer. At MindSync, we understand that navigating the certification process can be complex and time-consuming. That's where we come in. We're here to support you throughout the entire certification journey, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. Our team is well versed in the intricacies of BIS certification, and we're committed to making the process hassle-free for you. Partnering with MindSync means you have a dedicated ally, guiding you from documentation to the final grant of certification. We prioritize your success and adherence to quality standards. So, if you are looking for a reliable partner to streamline your BIS certification journey, look no further than MindSync.